I'm going to use Durham's water putty to fix this hole in this closet door, so stay tuned. Alright, I'm at Home Depot getting Durham's water putty. Yep, right there it is. This stuff comes in a powder form. You simply add water and it gets rock hard. I have just enough of this left, so I'm gonna just mix this right out of the can. I had used part of this in the kitchen area, fixing the floor. So I'm going to use these paint stir sticks as backing, and I have some small drywall screws to secure them in. You simply just want to apply this to a surface, and then it's going to just solidify and get rock hard. And now I'm just cleaning the excess residue off the surface. I'm going to remove the screws, sand, and then prep for painting. And that's pretty much it.